At the roundabout, take the first exit onto Glen.
Going to change 2 lanes? You are. Thanks for that.
Getting busy now. Jeez, in a rush, dude. He's not waiting around, is he? He's off. Go in the other lane, dickhead. Wow. The second lay-by, yeah. No. It's a good call, to be fair.
I know, I never seen like that. Oh my god. It's 4x4. Oh, it's a van.
That's a funny looking parking space, Mr. Audi driver. Sack it off and leave it there on the double yellows. It's absolutely fine. It's not like there's a bunch of spaces just to your right. Come on, come with me. Follow me. We'll find them together. See, there's a few there. Yeah, there's one right in front of me next to the van. That's not bad, is it? Under the tree, plenty of space there. Oh, look. That cash car's just pulled off. That's a nice one there, isn't it? Do you know what? Let's go in there, shall we? See, it's not difficult, you lazy bastard, to find a space, but don't you worry. Don't you worry, pal. Nothing behind me. Nothing behind me whatsoever.
either Venezuela or French Guiana. Guyana.
Oh no. Oh! And another f***ing saucer.
The matter is not the Empire anymore. Yeah. And that's why all that was
Why have you just pulled out in front of me, you top of tits?
What?
Watch out.
Oh, you're having a laugh. Now you're going for on red?
Well, that's stupid, isn't it? It's because I'm not very big. You wouldn't get a 4x4 or a van or anything else through there, would you?
Yeah, I think I need to do me. Whoa! Me!
I don't think it's fair necessarily to compare the level of crime to what was bested. Charles, thank you for that. Trevor and Newell.
Come on then. Oh.
Well, I can always move it. I was driving around with no f***s on.
Speed camera. Speed camera. Speed camera.
Yes, Roxy.
Speed camera.
Shut up.
Speed camera.
Yes.
Speed camera.
Oh, for the love of God.
Speed camera. Speed camera.
Where are you going? It's red. What are you doing? What a cabbage!